This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages on the Carnival Breeze, room 7400. We're going to do a room tour. This is just a regular balcony. Oops. So when you come in, you're going to have closets on the left, bathroom on the right. And there is a mirror on the door. You go check out the bathroom. They have shampoo and shower gel. And then they also have bar soap out here. So they do have little shelves on either side of the mirror. And hooks on the door. Safe right there. Drawers for storage. Does this come out? Yes, it does. This is just a cooler. If you have somebody that needs a CPAP or has a CPAP and needs distilled water, you can order that through the fun shops or in advance. Actually, I think I called. You can call and have it done in advance, the fun shop line, and then you can order it whenever you get on board. But just to make sure they have plenty, you can do it in advance. If you have anybody that needs a Sharps container, if diabetic or have to give themselves any kind of shots, you can ask for a Sharps container. That way they can have that in here before you even get on board. We have our bed split. There is a small bit of storage here, but for outlets, they're going to be here. That one's the European, and then for the US. So you need to bring a small extension cord, again, if you have a CPAP. Every cruise line is different. Some say they'll supply it. Carnival's website currently, at the time of this video, says to bring one. This is our balcony. It's covered. We're in the Port of Galveston. Oh, and I want to point out, because I almost forgot, the doors are not super light. They're kind of heavy, but they do have a child lock up here. And plus the weight of the doors makes it a little bit hard for kids to open it, but that is it. Carnival Breeze in a standard balcony.